Good morning, children. In last class, we have discussed about land and water animals, fast and slow animals. Today, we are going to learn a new topic. Children, how is a fish different from us? Yes, a fish has body parts different from us. What helps it to move in water? It has a special body parts that help it to breathe and move in water. So today we will find the common body parts of fishes. First we will learn new words. Fish, protect, scales, fins, gills, tail, shelter, animals, babies, feed, survive. The body parts of fish help them live in water. They are different from the body parts of land animals. So, what are the body parts of a fish? A fish has mouth, eye, head, fins, tail, gills, and scale on its body. A fish has a shape similar to a boat. It is long and thin at both the ends. This kind of shape helps the fish to swim smoothly in water. The boat shape of a fish helps it to move smoothly in water. Fishes do not always swim in a straight direction in water. They can change their direction to left or right or anywhere in water with the help of their fins and tails. Fish breathe through their gills in water. They have scales on their body to protect themselves. Just like we have skin to protect our body, fishes have scales on their body. So children, how are fish similar to humans? Just like human, fishes also have eyes to see, mouth to eat. But humans and fishes live in different places. Therefore, they have different body parts that help them survive in different places. Fishes have gills that helps them breathe in water, whereas humans breathe through lungs. Fishes have their body covered with scales, whereas humans' bodies are covered with skin. Humans move on to their two legs. Fishes move with the help of their fins and tail. This is about fish in water. Children, what are the animals doing in the picture? The animals are trying to take care of their babies. The baby elephant is holding on to the trunk of the adult elephant and walking. Mother kangaroo with its baby in its pouch. Bird feeding its babies. The dog is feeding the puppies. The adult monkey is taking out lice from the baby monkey head. All these animals are trying to take care of their babies and young ones. Animals take care of their babies just like we do. They give them shelter and food to eat. They protect them from other animals. They also teach them how to live in their surroundings. What do you think babies need from their parents? Babies cannot take care of themselves. They need to be fed, they need to be bathed, they need to be protected. parents of humans give their children a place to live, clothes to wear, and food to eat. Animals also take care of their babies. They feed them, they protect them, they build a home for them. Some animals learn to hunt and find food by watching their parents. Sometimes animals also take care of other babies. For example, dogs take care of kittens, a monkey take care of a puppy. All of these animals take care of others' babies in the same way as they take care of their babies. Animals take care of their young ones up to a certain age. They teach them how to survive in the environment, and after sometimes leave them free to live by themselves. This is how animals take care of their babies. Today's homework: draw and label the body parts of a fish in your notebook. Be kind to animals. Bye children, have a nice day. See you.